In just a few simple steps, we'll show you how to create your Waya account and start enjoying a new way of banking. Start by downloading the Waya app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android and tap Sign Up. Step 1. Enter your valid US phone number and tap Get Verification Code. You'll receive a 5-digit verification code via SMS on your phone. Step 2. Enter your full name and email address to create your account then. Create a strong password to secure your account. Remember, the stronger, the better. Step 3. Verify your identity by simply providing your KYC details, including your full name, date of birth, home address, and social security number. You'll also need to upload a photo of your government-issued identification card and a selfie. And you're done. Now, you can enjoy a better way to store, spend, send, and receive money with Waya. It's that simple. Get Waya now and take control of your financial world in just a few taps.